In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Meta AI not working in WhatsApp. Generally, when you use the WhatsApp, you'll be able to use the Meta AI, but if it is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. Normally, if your application is not updated to the latest version, you'll not be able to access the Meta AI. So for that, what you have to do is update the WhatsApp, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for WhatsApp. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the app will be updated. After the WhatsApp is updated, Meta AI should be working. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for WhatsApp and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of WhatsApp. What you have to do is simply tap on this option storage and cache. Now tap on this option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, try using the Meta AI and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Meta AI not working in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.